Okay, zigzag adjustment and the left, center, right needle position should both be on top under this cover. Okay. All right, this is, looks like an easy one. There's a set screw here for our set arm, right? Aha, there we go. Okay. So with this screw loose, we have to slide the this bracket that my finger's on has to move all the way over, and then the set screw is in place, and that got left, center, right figured out for that. Okay. All right. Now, does our did that also adjust our zigzag travel? It did not. Our zigzag travel still needs to move further over, and this foot is crooked. Alright. Well, straightening that foot is going to be simple enough. Just so it's just had to tweak a teeny bit to match up with the hole better. And the way that these feet are made, they occasionally just bend with use and time. So that foot has been tweaked to match the hole in the throat plate better. And then there's 0, we got left, center, right. zigzag. Okay, to set the travel for the zigzag on the 328K, this nut is on a bracket and the zigzag motion is on the end of that and you have to just figure out which side of the zigzag you're on and make sure and pull that rod with the nut to the right spot and then set this and tighten that. So I'm gonna fumble around with that for a bit and see if I can get that centered up. Tension discs for the 328K have all been cleaned and are not gross anymore. So we're gonna put our spring, our take-up spring around them, build our sandwich here for all these tensioners, and then I like to set the spring so that it's hooked down at the 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock position, and then it comes up to the 9 o'clock position there, and now comes our tension release cup, which if we leave the presser foot up, then the pin is out, and into the cup goes our spring. And then on our spring goes that washer. That washer has the stopper for our dial, for our number dial. Wait a second. I'm gonna get, yeah, okay. Except it goes, the nut goes on. And then this secondary clamping nut. Trim collar in, and then just snug our set screw up. And I think that's a close setting, but we'll adjust that as we need it. And our release cup comes up. Cool.